Seamlessly onboard new employees and JumpCloud users with Workato. We will be demonstrating automated onboarding with a new BambooHR employee orchestrated through Workato to create a new JumpCloud user and subsequently a G Suite user, all with an IT notification in Slack. Let's begin by creating a new employee in BambooHR. This email address will actually be used in subsequently creating a new G Suite user directly from JumpCloud. Additionally, these attributes like job title, reporting structure, and location can be added into the payload so IT admins know exactly where and when to onboard new employees. We've now created a new employee within BambooHR, so now HR can move on to the rest of their tasks while IT onboarding can begin. Here we have a new Slack notification that Pam is now reporting to finance and to begin onboarding. Let's quickly check that Pam was created as a JumpCloud user, and you can see that Pam is now in the user ID and we can reset her password. When creating Pam, we also directly added her into a new user group, New Employee Onboarding. This group mentality allows users to bind applications and systems, and so we can see what is available to Pam right in the new user onboarding. We can check and see that she's already added to Slack, as well as the G Suite integration. Let's see what this looks like from the employee's point of view. New employees can now sign in directly into G Suite once the new user was created directly from JumpCloud. So we are onboarded and productive all within a few minutes. For this orchestration recipe and more, visit workato.com/recipes, searching for the JumpCloud application.